Good morning, sports fans! Today we're going to clear a clogged bathtub drain. Let's get started. My drain is the type where the plug is held on by a brass screw. You can see how incredibly slowly the water goes down. It's hard to see, but there's a brass screw holding the drain plug on. Since it's brass, the screw loosened fairly easily. Brass doesn't corrode or rust. That's why it's so prevalent in plumbing applications. Do not completely remove the screw, just loosen it enough that the plug will come off. Get out your needle-nosed pliers and start pulling the debris out of the drain. It'll be stuck on the brass crossbars. Notice the slot in the brass post. This is where the brass screw needs to ride. Reattach the drain plug by tightening the brass screw. Remember, it's brass, so it's soft. You don't have to get it super tight. Verify that the drain plug moves properly from the plugged position to the open position. And there you go. Drains now. Yay, rah! Thanks for watching. Happy trails!